first thing I want to do is work with the sector in defining what the industry is and having a vision for its development and what its workforce development needs might be. And there's not an easy answer to that because I don't think it's been front and centre in terms of the industry's line of sight. We've had a lot of individual aspects of that. The WA government has done some enormous work in terms of supercomputing and the Pawsey Centre and looking at some of those innovations. Let's stitch all of that together and really showcase a future direction for the industry. From my point of view, the digital strategy I think is going to be a major step forward, and that will highlight key areas that the government views as being central. Inclusivity, access and communications, the sort of ease with which you can transact with government. Those are all fundamental, and how we engage with the industry locally to achieve that I think is going to be really important. And then there's the other side of that is data sharing and data analytics, and that I think has got some enormous potential for us in terms of improving the way that we actually plan and administer public policy.